Hey guys, today we're gonna learn how to reduce your bundle size even after you are done with all your app optimizations like enabling Proguard and Hermes. So, yeah, let's get started. We will start with checking the details of this too large APK. We can see that it's taking around 55 MB on the disk even after Proguard and Hermes being enabled. So, we'll try to reduce it down. To do this, we'll go to the build and then analyze APK. We have to wait for some time until it loads. Once it's loaded, it will provide immediate insight into the composition of your APK, which would be useful to identify the main reason why bundle size has been increased. So it's loaded now. We can see that lib folder is taking most of the space. We will try to browse this lib folder and check which library is taking most of the space. As we can see that this lib mode pdfem.so is taking around 2.5 MB, which is the highest amongst other libraries. But we don't know exactly what this library is all about and from which React Native's library it is coming. To find out, head over to the terminal and we got one magical command here, that is /w app dependencies. By the use of this, we can get the dependency tree. After getting the tree, we have to search for the desired keyword. So open a new note, and once you got this dependency tree loaded, you just have to copy and paste into your notepad. So once you have pasted, you can search for the desired keyword, which is PDFEM in our case. So we'll search for that and we can see that it is being used by this React Native PDF. We don't really need this library as there are other alternatives like RN PDF Reader JS, which won't need PDF SDK and will open this PDF in the web view instead. So after removing this React Native PDF library, we have to rebuild our APK. So I have already rebuilt it and named it as medsize.apk. So as you can see, it has been reduced to around 43.4 MB on the disk size, which is like 12 MB reduction as compared to the previous one. So we will try to reduce it more by analyzing this med size APK. So head over to this APK analyzer again and we will see, like, now lib folder is sorted. Now we have to check for the other folders also. So we'll go to the com folder and we can see that this IBM ICU is taking around 6.9 MB, which is 17.2 percentage. So we will try to check if we really need this dependency or not. So again we have to run our magical command, that is dot slash greater w app dependencies, and search for the desired keyword, that is IBM. So yeah, we got this IBM ICU here, and now just move to the top of the tree and check for the parent. Once you find out this parent, so in our case it is Facebook SDK. So the problem with this library is we are using the latest release of this library. So instead of this doing the latest release, we can change it to a specific version. So we have changed it to 14.1.1 now, because it might happen that Facebook will update their SDK and might introduce some unnecessary files that we don't want. Now rebuild, and we can see that now low sized APK has almost around 33.7 MB on the disk. We can analyze this APK and we can see that this com folder doesn't have this IBM ICO